This is We'll Meet Again, written in 1939 by Ross Parker and Hughie Charles, made famous by Vera Lynn and many, many others. I play it capoed up here on the 3rd fret, played in the key of D. Everything I say will be relative to the capo, so if I say I'm playing a D, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly an F, because it's 3 steps up. It starts off with this D chord. I play F sharp in the bass on the 6th string, and the A note on the 3rd string. Or you can just play strings 5, 4, and 3, and or the next chord is an F sharp. I play an F sharp 7 and lift your finger off the 3rd string, and then you go down to this B 7th chord. And when you go to this B chord, you're hitting the open B note on the 2nd string as your melody. So it's D, F sharp, B, and here on your 3rd string, you're hitting the 3rd fret, open B, and then the G and the F sharp here, all during this B 7th chord. So up till now you've got D, F sharp, B 7, and then it's an E 7th chord. Hitting any of those notes to make your melody, so it's and then you go to the A 7th chord, and then to an A6. An A6 is just an A 7th where you add this F note on here on the 1st string. So the chord progression for this first part is D, F sharp, B, E, A7, A6, and then it repeats. Then the E, and then to the A with this added F sharp. You can bar the whole thing. And back to the D chord with your melody on the 2nd string. And then a G, keeping your D note as your melody. I do all this with an alternating bass, sometimes 5 and 4, sometimes 6 and 4, just depending on how I feel. The 2nd time through, it goes to the A with the added F sharp, and then to the D, G, D, and then this single note run, which is at D, E, F sharp, and then it goes to the 2nd part of the song. The 2nd part starts with a D 7th. That's just a F sharp and an E. an alternating bass. And then to a G major 7th. And here's an F sharp, E, B, D, all with the alternating bass. And then do the same thing with the E chord. And then along A, and walk it down 1 fret at a time to an A7, having your open E as your melody, and then an F as your melody when you move up to an A6. And then it goes back to the beginning part of the song. So the whole second part looks like this. Then you can go round and round as many times as you like. G, just end it there, or keep going around and around.